Dar es Salaam's Kariakoo market is the biggest in Tanzania and depends on manufactured products imported from China. But the outbreak of coronavirus, known as COVID-19, has dried up shipments from China.
You sell phones and you find the stock is finished. You need a certain type of phone. Didn't get it at the time, and at the same time the prices rise.
Those close trade ties with China makes Tanzania one of the African countries most at risk of importing COVID-19. Health authorities are on high alert.
The biggest aspect of which we have done within the country is to strengthen the port of entry, because as you know now, our threat is actually a case coming from the 58 affected countries, including China. And we have strengthened the port of entry. We have employed 100 more staff in the port of entries, and we have built their capacity to be able to detect the cases.
Tanzania's health ministry say they have 140 thermoscanners set up in all ports of entry.
Firstly, we have modern equipment, as you can see, but also we have a modern ambulance for sending patients to hospitals, and the number of our professionals has doubled to make sure we fight this. We have been finding some suspected cases. Despite being found ill, this shows our machines are working properly.
In Tanzania's more remote areas, such as the tourist city of Arusha, the East African Community's mobile lab project helps test suspected coronavirus infections.
With this capacity, the partner states will be able to respond quickly, and if the outbreaks occur in remote areas where there may not be diagnostic capacity, the idea is that the mobile laboratory can move quickly and set themselves up in this remote area and then start diagnosing cases.
Meanwhile, Tanzanian doctors are urging everyone to take precautions to avoid the virus.
The biggest part involves your personal hygiene. When you enter and leave the washroom, make sure you wash your hands with soap. But also, we advise people to avoid contact. And if someone has a cough, they should cover their mouth.
But avoiding physical contact in the busy market is a challenge for traders like Hawadi. Even though the virus is a threat to their lives, without regular shipment of Chinese products, it's a bigger threat to their livelihoods. Kombe for VOA News, Dar es Salaam.